Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca, and today we're going to practice a meditation designed for beginners. But before we get started, I wanted to let you know a fact about meditation. Meditation can improve your memory. As it turns out, two separate studies done by neuroscientists at Harvard Medical School found that those who meditate on a regular basis have measured for increased gray matter in the hippocampus, and that is the part of the brain that plays a huge role in memory and learning. So, prepare for your practice, and know that the practice is going to help you lead a more vibrant and healthy life. Welcome to Focused Attention to Settle the Mind. Let's begin by taking a moment to settle your body into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open with a soft focus, looking downward with your feet in front of you. Allow your spine to lift and your shoulders to soften. Today we will practice focused attention. During this meditation, you'll focus on your breath. Think of a metaphor of resting a snow globe or a jar of muddy water onto a table. As we let it settle, it naturally becomes more calm and clear. The mind is very similar. As we focus attention on the breath, the mind and body begin to relax, settle, and become more clear and feel more free. Taking a full breath in and a long, slow breath out, observe your breathing. Notice how your breath flows in and out. Make no effort to change your breathing in any way. Simply notice how your body breathes. Notice the rise and fall of your chest as the air passes in and out. Bring attention to a slow inhale and a long, slow exhale. When your attention wanders, as it will, focus again on your breathing. Notice if any thoughts arise, but don't hold on to them. Simply let the thoughts pass and bring your attention back to your breath. Notice the stages of a complete breath. From the in-breath to the subtle pause, the exhale, and the pause before taking another breath. Feel the air entering through your nose. See it in your mind's eye, flowing through the nose and then down to your lungs. Feel the lungs expand as they fill with air and relax again through the exhale. As thoughts arise, simply allow them to pass and return your attention to your breathing. Let's finish now with a full, deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. To continue practicing mindfulness, try a mindful listening practice today. In your next conversation or meeting, Practice putting all of your attention on the person or people you're speaking with. Thank you for taking the time to meditate today. If you enjoyed the practice, hit the like button so YouTube remembers it in your liked videos. Consider subscribing to the channel so you can continue your practice. Enjoy the rest of your day.